US Citizenship Mock Interview Simulation, Amina Okafor's Naturalization Interview. Welcome to Citizen Now videos. Today I'll be doing a mock N400 naturalization interview. In this video, you'll see a full walkthrough of the US citizenship interview process. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our weekly updates. Today we'll cover N400 personal questions, including name changes, travel history, and address verification. N400 yes-no questions. Yes, all those tricky "have you ever" ones. N400 word definitions to help you understand key terms. The USCIS Civics Test with official exam questions, and the English reading and writing test. Today's fictional applicant will be Amina Okafor, a Nigerian-born pediatrician and permanent resident since 2017. Watch her take her U.S. citizenship interview, answer questions about her N400 application, and pass the other portions of the test. I'll be playing Officer Smith. Let's begin. Good afternoon. I'm Officer Smith, and I'll be conducting your interview today. Nice to meet you.
Good afternoon, officer. Nice to meet you too.
How are you feeling today?
A bit nervous, but prepared.
No need to worry, just answer honestly. Did you come alone?
No, my mother is in the waiting area.
Before we begin, may I see your appointment notice, green card, and a photo ID?
Of course. Here they are.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
What did you just promise?
To tell the truth.
Correct. You may be seated. All right, I'll go through your application now to make sure all the information you filled in is correct. What is your full legal name?
Amina Okafor.
You mentioned in your application that you want to change your name. Is that correct?
Yes, I'd like to change it back to my maiden name, Amina Ez.
Understood. Why the change?
After my divorce in 2021, I've used my maiden name professionally and personally.
Noted. Your date of birth?
October 12th, 1985.
You've been a permanent resident since 2017?
Yes, I adjusted from an H-1B visa.
Okay, and which country are you originally from?
I'm from Nigeria.
I see you're applying under the 5-year rule. Why do you want to become a U.S. citizen?
I want to vote, and I want my son to grow up with all the opportunities of being American.
All right, and what is your current living address?
123 Maplewood Drive, Columbus, Ohio, 43201.
Is your current physical address also your current mailing address?
Yes, it is.
Have you lived in this address for the last 5 years?
No, I used to live with my ex-husband.
Could you tell me the address?
456. Sycamore Ridge Lane, Dublin, Ohio, 43017.
And you work as a pediatrician?
Yes, at Columbus Children's Hospital for 6 years.
That's wonderful work, doctor. Okafor, pediatricians have such big hearts. You must be very proud to serve families in our community.
Thank you, officer. Thank you, officer. It's a privilege to care for our community's children.
You mentioned before you were divorced. Can I see your divorce certificate?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Did you and your former husband have any children together?
Yes, we have 2 daughters.
What are their names?
Zara Okafor and Neka Okafor.
Could you tell me when your daughters were born?
Of course, my eldest, Zara, was born on March 17, 2015, and my younger daughter, Neka, was born on November 8, 2018.
Do they live with you?
Yes, they do.
All right, now let's talk about your travel history. Have you traveled outside the US in the last 5 years?
Yes, 4 times.
Where did you go?
I went to Canada, Mexico, and Nigeria.
Were any trips longer than 6 months?
No, all under a month.
Please tell me, when was your last trip abroad?
I went to Mexico in March 2023.
What was the purpose of your trip?
I went to a medical conference.
Did anyone accompany you?
Yes, I went with 2 work colleagues.
Now, I'll ask some yes/no questions. Answer clearly. Have you ever claimed to be a US citizen?
No,
Have you ever registered to vote or voted in any federal, state, or local election in the United States?
no,
What does the phrase, have you ever mean?
in a lifetime.
Correct. Let's keep going. Do you currently owe any overdue federal, state, or local taxes in the United States?
No,
Have you ever been a member of, involved in, or in any way associated with any communist or totalitarian party anywhere in the world?
no.
Just to confirm, what is the meaning of totalitarian party?
Where the government controls everything. People have no power.
Okay, have you ever been a member of, involved in, or in any way associated with, or have you ever provided money, a thing of value, services, or labor, or any other assistance or support to a group that used a weapon or explosive with intent to harm another person or cause damage to property?
No,
What is the meaning of weapon?
like a knife or gun.
All right. Have you ever served in, been a member of, assisted, or participated in any military or police unit?
No,
Have you ever served in, been a member of, assisted, or participated in any armed group? For example, paramilitary unit, self-defense unit, vigilante unit, rebel group, or guerrilla group.
no,
Have you ever recruited, enlisted, conscripted, or used any person under 15 years of age to serve in or help an armed group, or attempted or worked with others to do so?
No.
Do you support the Constitution and form of government of the United States?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes.
Are you willing to take the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes.
If the law requires it, are you willing to bear arms on behalf of the United States?
Yes.
What is the meaning of bearing arms?
To carry weapons.
Correct. If the law requires it, are you willing to perform non-combatant services in the U.S. Armed Forces?
Yes.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes.
Just to be sure, please tell me what is a work of national importance under civilian direction?
Tasks important to a nation like helping after a disaster.
Correct. Time for the civics test. Answer 6 out of 10 correctly to pass. Ready?
Yes.
When do we celebrate Independence Day?
July 4th.
Where is the Statue of Liberty?
New York.
Name one U.S. territory.
Puerto Rico.
Before he was president, Eisenhower was a general. What war was he in?
World War II.
What territory did the United States buy from France in 1803?
Louisiana.
When is the last day you can send in federal income tax forms?
April 15th.
Great, you've passed. Now let's move on to the reading and writing tests. Please read the sentence I'm showing you on the tablet.
Where does the Congress meet?
Great. Now write. Congress meets in Washington, D.C. Very good. And with that, we have finished the interview. Congratulations, Doctor, you've passed. Your oath ceremony notice will arrive by mail.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy your day. And that's a wrap for today's mock interview. I hope this video gave you a clear idea of what to expect and helps you feel more prepared for your own U.S. citizenship interview. Remember, practice makes perfect, so replay these questions until you're confident. Keep in mind this is a simulation only. The answers provided here are for practice purposes and may not apply to your specific case. Always consult an immigration attorney or official USCIS resources for legal advice about your N400 application. If you need more U.S. citizenship test practice, check out our other videos for USCIS test prep. I've linked helpful resources in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our weekly updates. Wishing you all the best on your journey to citizenship. See you in the next video.